Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on lesson 12.4, customary units of liquid volume. Liquid volume is the measure of space a liquid occupies. Some basic units for measuring liquid volume are gallons, half gallons, quarts, pints, cups, and fluid ounces. The table to the right shows the relationships among some units of liquid volume. 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 half gallon equals 2 quarts. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. How does the size of a gallon compare to the size of a pint? Let's take a look at step 1. Use the information in the table to draw a bar to represent 1 gallon. So right here, we have a large bar to represent 1 gallon. Step 2. The table shows that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Draw a bar to show 4 quarts. So, in the same size that my gallon is, I'm going to draw 4 quarts. Step 3. The table shows that 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. Draw a bar to show 2 pints for each of the 4 quarts. So, what that means is, I'm going to take my quart and split it in 2 pints. Step 4. Compare the size of 1 gallon to the size of 1 pint. So we're working with 1 gallon to 1 pint. Here's our gallon, 1 gallon, and here's 1 pint. There are 8 pints in 1 gallon. Let's count the pints together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pints in 1 gallon. So, 1 gallon is 8 times as much as 1 pint. Let's try some together. Before we do that, let's take a look at what a gallon, a pint, a quart, and a cup actually look like. As you see here, this is a gallon. It is the largest way to measure. Next up is a quart. This is a quart. Then a pint. Then a cup. You'll notice that the size of them gets smaller. I also have my gallon model here, which is a great way to help you remember. You'll see that the gallon, the G in green, is the biggest. Inside the gallon, I have quarts, which is the Q in red. There are 4 quarts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarts that make up a gallon. Next comes a pint. Inside each quart are 2 pints. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pints that make up the entire gallon. And finally, the smallest is cups. You'll notice inside each pint, I can fit 2 cups. This model is going to help us complete our work for today. And I've left it up here. It says complete. Draw a model to help. Let's take a look at number 1. 2 quarts equals blank pints. So now I'm working with my quarts, Q. Think, 1 quart equals 2 pints. If I look at my quart here, I have 2 P's inside for pints. Now I need 2 quarts. So let's think. 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 quarts equals 4 pints. I can also use my model to count. Here are my 2 quarts. Let's count the amount of P's or pints. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 quarts equals 4 pints. Let's take a look at number 2. 1 gallon equals 8 cups. I'm going to use my model up here to count how many cups. And I can count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 1 gallon equals 16 cups. Let's take a look at number 3. 1 pint equals blank fluid ounces. Think, 1 pint equals 2 cups. Right in here, there are 2 cups that make up a pint. I know that 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. So technically, I have 2 cups. I need to multiply 2 times 8, or 8 fluid ounces, gives me 16. So 1 pint equals 16 fluid ounces. Number 4. 3 pints equals how many cups? Now I can use my model to count the pints and count how many cups. I know 1 pint equals 2 cups, so I'm going to multiply 3 times 2 equals 6. So 3 pints equals 6 cups. Number 5. 3 quarts equals how many cups? Right back up here at our quarts. Right up here. 3 quarts is how many cups? I know 1 quart is 4 cups. So if I have 3 times 4 gives me 12. So 3 quarts equals 12 cups. And finally, 1/2 gallon is how many pints? If I use my model and I split it in half, I get 1/2 gallon. Now I can count how many pints. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/2 gallon is 4 pints. Be sure to study the model. It'll help you.